It is Monday, January 15th. I'm just getting week 3 started. Our willow tree, I just put it on sale for 50% off. So basically, this is the figurines. And what I'm doing as I go through each one of them on my website, making sure my inventory count is correct. It's almost the end of the day. It's 4:45. But I decided that there's a piece that I want to take home. I've already cleaned it off. It was the bookshelf. If I can find a picture in my past videos, there was a bookshelf on that wall. I just took it down and I am going to load that into my truck tonight. It's going to fit perfectly beside my fireplace in my house. It is a very rustic, I think that's pine. Love the color of it, and I've even packed up some of my old encyclopedias and stuff that I had on it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
I think that's going to be fun. I'm probably going to move this store somewhere else that's blocking a window right now. A really old piece of artwork, and it's really not expensive, not a real painting or anything, but I just love that cabin scene. I think it's a cool picture and I love the colors in it. It's the next day. It's Tuesday, January 16th, and it's almost 1 o'clock already. I'm already more than almost halfway through the day, and I've had several customers. What I'm working on right now is the hallway. I've already got part of it done. I'm gonna empty off all the shelves, see what I can price and put out on the floor for sale, and what I want to keep and what I'm going to donate and what I'm going to throw away. So I think I'm just going to put you on time lapse and just try to punch this out.
From the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my...
Made quite a bit of progress. Let me shut this door. Listen, I today decided I need to make a Facebook and Instagram post because I haven't done it in a while, and I posted a whole bunch of pictures of all the stuff in the store, and I just did some new markdowns and stuff. And as soon as I did that, which I needed to do it because it was kind of slow up until that point, it went crazy. A bunch of people came in. I don't know that they were from the post, but then comments that I had to respond to was going nuts. And then people calling the phone and wanting things or asking questions about things. So that was good, but it's also, I hate to say it, but sometimes it's annoying because some people will just ask you a million questions and never buy a thing. And that's annoying because I don't have time for that. I just want to finish out these shelves tonight just so that I can say it's almost done. I still have a huge mess in this corner, but most of this is wood and poles and plumbing things or whatever that I'm probably going to keep. Did you hear that noise? So let's see. Yeah, so they're still commenting. So, and some people just now finding out that I'm closing. Some of this stuff I do want to keep. for you anymore, but I am going to try to get through this real quick before I go home. I just have to do that, and then tomorrow maybe I can take these down and get them in the other room to sell. All right, I think that's it for tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye. Hey y'all, it is Thursday. I skipped yesterday. I was so busy Wednesday that I couldn't record, and then at the end of the day I was going to throw out the camera and just say a few words, and I forgot my SD card. We are on the countdown to the final day now, big time. My store looks crazy. I want to show y'all how I've got it set up right now. A lot has gone out, and today was a very busy day. Still got the tables set up in the middle. Still got things on the sides. Still bringing more product out. I'm just going to scan real slow the room. I know it looks like it's still full and nothing has moved, but actually a whole lot has gone out. I just keep bringing more from the back, getting people coming in saying, I didn't know you were closing. So it's like, okay, I thought I sent out an email the first week I announced, but obviously I didn't. I sent out an email this morning just saying, by the way, did you know we're closing, letting everybody know about the sale. And so a lot more people showed up today that didn't even know about it. Well, I think tomorrow and Saturday, I'm probably going to be slammed. I got a friend that said that she's going to come help me tomorrow, thank goodness. It's the hallway. I got all the shelves taken down and all the brackets, and all of this is very messy. I went through all the stuff that I thought was sellable and put it out there. The rest of this is stuff I need to pack up. I'm either going to keep it or it's going to be donated. And I actually need to reorganize all of this and get it looking a little bit better. I predict I will have very few willow left after Saturday. I'm going to close the store, go home, walk the girls, Addie and Sadie, my puppy dogs, and then just talk to Chris for a little bit, my honey. And then I'm going to come back and work at least about 2 or 3 hours without any interruption from anyone. I need to go through these 2 back rooms and pull out anything that's sellable, get it in that room, and just pile up all the other stuff, because that's stuff that I can throw in boxes and stuff later. I need to get things that I can sell out now, because I'm down, let's see, we got Friday, Saturday, and then Monday through Saturday next week. So we're down to, oh gosh, just 8 days of selling. I've got to get it out there and really price it and hope to move it. So I don't know if y'all do email marketing and text messages. It actually works. It's a big deal. Just posting to Facebook and Instagram doesn't always get it. But my local yokels, they came out today, and I think tomorrow and especially Saturday will probably be even busier. I think I do need to work at least 2 or 3 hours over here uninterrupted tonight. I've got to get it out, and I really want to get it all out for this weekend, because I think this weekend will be huge. A lot of people will think that this Saturday is the last Saturday, so I need to do that. It's really next Saturday. So I said I was going to quit and go home, and I forgot. I have a whole bunch of online orders that I got today. I pulled them all so that the stuff wouldn't get sold, but I did not pack them, so I've got to get them packed. I can have them shipped out tomorrow.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Hey everybody, I am back at Venteeks, and it's so hard when I go home and eat. I get tired, but I know I'm not going to get this done if I don't spend a little bit of extra time here when there's no customers and no one coming in. It's just me in the mess. So I'm going to start this room right here behind me. I need to go through all of this and figure out what needs to be sold, what needs to be tossed, donated, blah, blah, blah.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
It's 11:16 p.m. I didn't stay all night, and I have done that before. Actually, I've done that several times, or at least to 2 or 3, maybe 4 o'clock in the morning. I just got done. My back is really hurting. I'm gonna go home and take some ibuprofen. My friend Delene is saying she's gonna come and help me, so that'll be fun. Today was a good day. We did really good. Keep pulling stuff out. It's like it's multiplying, but a lot went out. I'm gonna call it quits now. I'm gonna turn off all the lights and go home. Bye, y'all. Well, it's the end of the day. Another really, really busy day. I got super lucky and blessed today. My friend Delene decided on the fly that she wanted to come up and help me today. And thank you, Jesus, she did, because I was swamped. We actually had a line at one point to check people out, and I was so thankful to have her. Thank you, Delene, for helping me today. It was so sweet. And then she asked if I had any help tomorrow, and I was like, no. And tomorrow's Saturday. I think it'll be really busy tomorrow, probably even busier than today. So she's gonna come tomorrow and help me as well. So I'm very thankful for that. My dad is wanting me to get him some groceries tonight, so I'll have to leave here in just a few minutes. But I got this metal rolling cabinet that is really, really cool. It's like a utility cabinet. I've used it to display things. I've used it as a register stand. When I've done events, it was an easy piece because it has casters on it. Used it as my checkout stand. I basically painted it black. One of my employees a few years ago, Lori Hamby, Lori, if you're watching this, she's a very talented painter. She painted our logo on the front, and I just absolutely love it. But I don't think anybody else will appreciate that on there. Once I'm trying to empty out the back because it's got tons of my work supplies and stuff, and it was actually part of our register stand on the other side at one time as well, and it held a lot of our supplies, and I was always sticking things in here as I was working on it. These 2 little shelves here, so I'm trying to clean it out, pull out things I can sell, and then put up the tools or throw away junk. I'm going to finish cleaning this out. I'm going to roll it into the other room, and then I've got some black paint that I'm going to paint over that front, and so it'll be dry tomorrow. Like I said, I was at the register most of the day, or I was carrying stuff to people's cars. It's been going really good. I feel super blessed. Thank you all local yokels, if you're watching, that have been coming out and helping to support and get some cool stuff out of this.
It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile within the pain. It's the logic but insane. You cannot know from where it came. It's the way you cross the floor before you head on out the door.
I hear music. My music's turned off, so I don't know what's going on. Very strange noise. Don't know what that is. But sounded like music, but my music is turned off. So I don't know what that was about. We do have ghosts that shows up every once in a while. I've never seen them, but I have heard them. So I think I only need 1 coat, but we'll see tomorrow when I come back and it's dried. This is really going to be somebody's work cabinet, so I'm not worried about it being perfect. Alright, that's all I'm going to do to it. I have a feeling tomorrow is going to be crazy busy. If it was, usually Saturday's our best day, and this was Friday. I think yesterday was a good day because I sent out that email. But today, probably did just a little bit more than yesterday. Most people are off on Saturday that have normal 8 to 5 jobs. So I think we might have a lot of people tomorrow. Cross my fingers, because I would love to see this reduced a little bit more. I've gotten rid of a lot, but there's still a lot. So crossing my fingers. All right, y'all, I'll see you tomorrow.
So many times I heed the call. It's the silence of the room, the way you turn before you bloom, another shadow for the blind. I think I'm gonna lose my mind, although I'm running up a hill. I feel I'm always standing still. Can't remember where I've been. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin.
Hey y'all, it is 6:45. It is the end of work day on a Saturday. Woo! My friend Eileen, she brought us some lunch and we just sat down like 5 minutes before closing and had some banana pudding and just talked because we worked so hard all day we didn't even have time to talk to each other at all. But let me show you the progress that has been made. This back room back here, this pile of stuff right here is all the stuff I'm keeping. And then the only thing left is my product. This table right here. Been dragging out some of my hoarding stash. I've brought out some of my stuff for projects and I sold some of it. I still need to price some of it out. A lot of IOD is gone and a lot of paint in my, I'm really low on my farmhouse paint, which is good. Really the only room left that I have to go through is my office. It's not a lot. It's not gonna have much product in it. It's mostly like just my back office supplies and stuff. This room back here in the back, we have moved almost everything. There's a few little stragglers. These I'm keeping. I just have to move the little bit of product that's on this piece. I'm gonna try to sell this. Just mainly, I really like it and I'd like to keep it, but it is so heavy. But if I have to, I will keep it. I can use it at my house or at the cabin, or if I do get a booth, this would be a great piece to have. And all I got left is like these crates behind me and a little bit more project stuff. And that's it. And my cute little sign, I'll probably hang it up at home, or it's just about done. So this room, I'm planning to get the rest of that out Monday, and then I'm gonna close this room off. Then let me show you, this room looks back full. It was looking empty, but now it looks back full because I moved everything from that back room. Tomorrow, if weather permitting and there's no snow in the mountains, I'm going to take a load of stuff up to my cabin. I don't want to keep too much stuff because that means I'll have to go rent storage and that defeats the purpose. I kind of like that it's full because then I can promote this next week. More items are out. Just see what happens, but next week's the last week. I think that's it for week 3. We just got one left. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yes, I'm tired, but I was really sad at the beginning, but now I'm very eager to be done. So I can't wait to have this all completely cleared out and cleaned up and done, and I can move on to my next adventure. I'm really getting excited for that. Thank y'all so much for watching, subscribing, doing all the things that you know I need you to do. And don't forget to comment because I love those comments and it really helps me out. Y'all have a good one. See you next week. Bye.